Are you having trouble keeping up with your bills? Do you find it difficult to set up money for emergencies? Are you finding it difficult to find spare time since you've been working nonstop for a long time? Well, what if I told you that by simply going to google.com and searching for specific keywords, you can earn anywhere from $200 to $2,000 in less than 5 minutes? Today, I'll be introducing to you one website where you will be earning cash through searching on Google. It only takes a few minutes of research on Google to find out if you're going to win the challenge or walk away with a portion of the prize money. Using this easy and practical method of earning money online, you may increase your income during your spare time. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone, and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way. All you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So first and foremost, I'd like you to go to google.com and key in the word MindSumo. Now, I'd like you to click on the first link that comes up when you search for it on the internet. This will take you to the mindsumo.com site where you will learn more about the platform. MindSumo has risen to become the foremost platform for Millennial and Generation Z problem solvers to apply their creativity and innovation to projects from top organizations all over the world. More than 700,000 problem solvers from 6 continents and more than 3,000 institutions of higher learning make up their network. As part of these projects, companies collaborate with MindSumo's users to come up with fresh ideas and get new perspectives that they can implement throughout their business. As you can see in this example, MindSumo is a legitimate service. Some of the greatest internet businesses such as Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Nestle, and Microsoft have collaborated with them. So let me walk you through the process of creating a free account. To start off, I want you to click on the I am a problem solver button. Then I'd like you to log in or sign up using the login or sign up button located in the upper right corner of the website. If you already have an account, simply fill in the required information to log into your account. However, if you are a new user, you should click on the Don't Have an Account Yet option right here. Your browser will now redirect you to the Solver registration form. After that, you'll be required to provide your name, location, and email address. Additionally, you may enter a strong password as well as your birth date and gender. Now, all you have to do is click on this drop-down arrow and select the option that best suits your needs. The next phase in the sign-up process is very important. You must rate your own abilities in each of the following skill areas. We have 3 different types of skills: creativity, marketing, and technical skills. You may rate it between high proficiency, above average, below average, low average, and no proficiency at all. So right over here, I recommend you to choose above average proficiency for all of these 3 skills. When you scroll down further, you can see that they have provided 2 additional questions for you to answer. Just respond to them by typing in the box and continue on providing your personal name and email address. Next, You have to make sure to check the box that says you agree to the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy before proceeding. In the following window, check the I am not a robot box to confirm your identity and then click on the blue sign up button to complete your registration. There are a wide variety of projects and challenges that you may participate in to earn money online once you log into your account. Here you'll find categories that have been sorted by their field of skills. List of categories include business, engineering, computer science, food science, and so on. So I'd like you to concentrate on this computer science category. There is a good chance that they will filter out and present to you all of the tasks and challenges relating to computer science. So why did we choose this category? Because this pay you the highest amount of money on this website. As you browse further in the website, you can see that we have this challenge, what's your idea for a Firefox extension for promoting credible content? Now, I want you to click on this link to proceed. You can submit an answer or an article in response to the challenge on this page. And then you'll be able to earn more for your efforts and pays out a total of $1,600. However, this reward is shared among the people who submitted. There are currently 104 submissions, indicating that there are a large number of people who are using the same method. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. You can do exactly the same thing by using a simple trick. What I want you to do next is to go back to google.com and type in the title of the challenge you choose from MindSumo. For example, right now we chose, what's your idea for a Firefox extension for promoting credible content? You will be presented with thousands of results. Now all we have to do is look for different answers that we can combine all together to make up one document. Open up websites like technology.org, Quora, or medium.com, just to name a few resources to get different answers. After being able to search for answers, I want you to go back to google.com and search Google Docs and click on the first link that appears. To use this, all you need is your Gmail account. Google Docs is an online word processor included as part of the free web-based Google Docs editor suite offered by Google. It allows users to create and edit documents online while collaborating with other users in real time. Now click this blank page to start a new document. This is where you will be copying and pasting the answers you have found. Just make sure that the structure of your file is fixed and in order. We don't want a messed up document. But the more relevant and longer your response is, the more likely it is that you will get compensated for your time and effort. And of course, you have the option to adjust this, to change the font, to change the colors, and perhaps to change some of the text. For example, instead of this, I'll be using the font Arial with a font size of 12, using only black color for font to make it look professional. After which, if you're done, you download the file into PDF format and submit your file to MindSumo. You can make a lot of money online simply by doing a Google search, and that's exactly how simple it is. A few minutes of searching on Google is all it takes to see if you're going to win the challenge and take home some of the prize money. Make some additional money in your leisure time with a simple and convenient method of making money online. And that is all there is to it. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.